Welcome to my channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want to tell you about facts from law enforcement in Indonesia. Facts from law enforcement in Indonesia. Indonesia is a country of law. As a rule of law, of course, impartial law enforcement has been regulated in the 1945 Constitution, Article 27, Paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution, where all people are treated equally before the law. To implement a rule of law, Indonesia is required to be able to apply the principle carried out by the rule of law. Every human being has the right to obtain justice, both from society and from the state. As stated in Pancasila, the 5 principles which reads justice for all Indonesian people. It is very clear that all Indonesian people have the right to justice without exception, indiscriminately, whether it is official, the little people, the rich, or the poor. Here I take two opinions. First, public opinions. From various sources I have learned that the law does not favor injustice. Many cases and injustice where these cases are more in favor of Jews who have a lot of money and my side with state official. It seems that law enforcers still look at themselves on lawbreakers because of this indiscriminate nature. People think that as long as they have money or have Christian connection, they can avoid the law. People who have important relatives can easily escape the law. This is accordance with the adage that is popular in society. The law in this country is blown apart, shut down. 2. The views of the jurists. Law enforcement is the authority of a country, so that the law must be enforced, said Chief Justice of the Criminal Chamber of the Supreme Court, Artijo Alcocer. He said, if law enforcement in a country cannot be created, then that country's dignity will collapse. He said in a year in reflection on the term of law enforcement between ideas and facts. According to him, law enforcement in Indonesia is quite concerning, especially corruption, that is systemic in nature and creates a lot of injustice to society. Therefore, he said a law enforcer is required to increase and maximize legal knowledge, improve skills, and in the form of legal technical capacity. In the most important thing is having moral integrity to enforce the law. Okay, maybe this is what I had to tell you in this video. If anyone to be asked, please read in comment columns and share this video if it is useful. Subscribe this channel so it continues to grow. Thank you and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.